Top 5 jobs that AI can't replace. AI is taking over fast, but there are still jobs even the smartest machines can't replace yet. Artificial intelligence is changing everything, from how we work to how we live. But some jobs are still safe for now, because real teaching isn't just giving answers. It's understanding emotions, curiosity, and motivation. Empathy and human touch can't be automated. A robot can monitor your heart, but it can't hold your hand. Artificial intelligence can copy styles, but it doesn't feel creativity. It doesn't dream, imagine, or struggle. Electricians, plumbers, and mechanics deal with real-world problems. Every job is unique, and that's hard for AI to predict. AI can analyze data, but leadership needs vision, courage, and inspiration. Things only humans have. So yes, AI is powerful, but humanity still leads for now. Thanks for watching Sky Media. If this video helped you understand artificial intelligence a little better, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.